Did you see a jump?
That was a big jump. Tell me when it comes up to the surface there. Ooh, here it comes.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh, look at that thing.
Holy cow. Don't let it get them over.
That is a big fish. Let it run a little bit. That is a big fish. Oh, here we're going for the nab. Oh, 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 oh. You guys, look at that thing. Holy cow. It won't even fit in the net, I bet. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Holy cow!
Look at that thing. We don't have a tape big enough for that.
We don't have a... No, I'm not going to hold that thing up.
Here, where's the... I can get the glove here.
Hold it for a picture? Just see.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, I'm gonna stop recording here so we can take that off. Nice fish.
Oh, it goes beyond.